Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the crochet crown ear warmer. Uh, this is the newborn's crown ear warmer. For this pattern, you will need baby soft yarn. Here I am using the pink color yarn, and this is the baby soft yarn, very soft yarn, and one 4 mm crochet hook and one measuring tape. First you measure your baby's crown diameter and then you start your work. This is the diameter of the crown or head diameter. You start this head size is 1 to 2 years. You for newborn you take the lace chains, foundation chains. Here I am making the newborn size. So first I am making the border. You take 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, and take 2 more chains. Count the J, first half DC, and go to the third chain from your hook and make 1 half double crochet. Make 1 half double crochet in the every 6 stitches. This is the first round, and then you take 2 chain counter J first half DC and turn your work for second round and go to the back loop of every stitch the second round. This is the back loop of the very first stitch and make 1 half DC. You repeat the same pattern 15 to 18 lines of the same pattern, and measure you measure your baby's crown part and then you make it. Hello friends, I have done this 15 to 18 lines of this border. This is the size of the diameter of the crown. You fold it and then you stitch it with your craft needle or crochet hook. and then you go to the front side of your work. And then make one chain, total 2 chain, count as a first half daisy, and make one half daisy in the every stitch. You repeat this pattern in this round. Hello friends, I have done this 15 to 18 lines of this border. This is the size of the diameter of the crown. You fold it and then you stitch it with your craft needle or crochet hook. And then you go to the front side of your work. And then make one chain, total 2 chain, count as a first half daisy, and make one half daisy in the every stitch. You repeat this pattern in this round. I have completed my first round of the half daisy, and you repeat the same pattern one more times. One half daisy in the every stitch, and you must your stitches are multiple by 2. You take the stitches multiple by 2. You make one half daisy in the every single stitch. Hello friends, here my total stitches are 52 multiple by 2. Your stitches are the multiple by 2, and then you start the crown. So here I have joined it with slip stitch, and then you make one chain in my one loop in my hook, and wrap your yarn 2 times, and you skip the very first stitch and go to the next stitch and make treble crochet, and you make 2 more treble crochet in the same stitch. And then 1, 2, 3 chain, and go to the third chain from your hook and make 1 slip stitch. This is my picot, and wrap your yarn over your loop, over your hook, and go to the same stitch and make 1 treble crochet. Make 2 more treble crochet in the same stitch. 1 more, and then you skip the very next, this is the very first stitch, you skip the next one and go to the next and make 1 single crochet, and then you skip the next stitch and go to the next and make 3 treble crochet, 1 picot, and then repeat the 3 treble crochet in the same stitch. One, 2, 3 chain, and go to the third chain from your hook and make 1 picot, and make 3 treble crochet in the same stitch, and you repeat the same pattern in this round. This is the last round of the crown. Hello friends, I have completed this newborn crochet crown ear warmer. If you want to make the big size, then you increase the border area, border line, and you can also increase the DC half DC line, 2 more lines or 3 more lines for big size, and you can attach one beads in the picot area. And this is the very simple and unique pattern of the ear warmer, and you can try it, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.